All right, welcome back to the project. So in this video, we're going to go over how to style the image section. So this section right here, we're going to style. So the first thing we want to do is we're not going to go to the global.css. We're going to make a new file, and it's going to be called main.css. So let's right click on the CSS folder, do new file, and we're going to Control S and do main.css. And the first thing I want you to do is we're going to comment out this section so that we can divide it up so we know what section we're in when we're writing out our CSS. So I want you to do a backslash, and then a star. And then we're going to do these kind of funky lines that you can find right next to the backspace if you're on Windows. Okay, I think I went too far. Let me see here. Let me go back. Okay, there we go. There, that's fine right there. Okay. You can go as far as short as you want. It doesn't really matter. It's just to kind of keep this separate. So we're going to do start. Let's tab in a few times. We're going to do start image section. Okay, and then we'll return. Whoop, and I'll go back. Paste that in, and so now we know that this is the image section. I like to center this. You don't have to get that wild if you don't want to. It's just so that you know what section we're in to make it easy to find things. Because you'll notice right here, you can see that section right there. And then when we end this, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to do the star and then the backslash. And then we'll copy this, turn a couple times here, paste it there, and then do end image location or image section, because part of the reason why I do that is when you're editing the styling or the CSS, it makes it easier to find everything. Think of this as like your index of a book. You know exactly where to go. You know, you're looking for these. This pops out on the screen. Even on this little screen over here, you can see where it starts and ends. So it's just a good habit to get into. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do section ID content. That's the first element that we're going to style, give properties to. So we're going to do color, white. Position is going to be absolute. Top is going to be 400 pixels. And left is going to be 600 pixels. Okay, then next we're going to do image ID slide. And we're going to do width 100%. Sorry, not widows, width. There we go. 100%. And then height is going to be auto. Then we're going to do button. And let's open and close that. And then do width 50%. We're going to do height 50 pixels. Background is going to be hashtag 172035. And then we're going to do color, white. Font size is going to be 2 M's or 32 pixels. So we're going to do 2 M's. And then border will be none. Okay. And then we're going to do button hover. And that's going to be background hashtag 09568D. And then we'll close that. Now what I want to do is show you what we have built so far. So we're going to right click, open in the browser. And so now you can see okay. So we're pretty much there. The only thing that we need to update is the heading 1, heading 3, and paragraph sizes. Okay, so we're just about there. So let's do H1. Font size is going to be 4 M's. Oh, and then I'm going to do H3. Font size is going to be 2 M's. Then we're going to do paragraph, and the font size is going to be 2 M's. Okay, so we'll save that. Let's right click open in the browser so you can see it. And now we have the right sizes. So we've styled the header section from the previous video, and now we have styled the image section. So in the next video, we're going to cover our featured courses section, and I'll show you how to style that and make it look like the final product. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.